Today is day 45 of not using shampoo or conditioner, and me and my hair have never been happier. I don't think I'm ever gonna go back. I just don't really see that happening. Some people were asking me about a conditioner alternative. So here you go. This is the conditioner alternative that I have been loving. If you are consistent with this, your hair is gonna love you for it. In a pot, we're gonna heat 2 cups of water with 1/4 cup of whole organic flax seeds. So we're gonna bring her to a boil and stir occasionally. Okay, once she's boiling, we're gonna reduce the heat to low and just let her simmer for like just a couple minutes. So it's gonna start to form a little bit of a gel paste, and once it's starting to get a little jelly, we're gonna take it off the heat and set it aside to cool down for like 45 minutes. Maybe I should have tried to make my hair look nice for this hair care video. I just like jump on here with my hair all crazy. Listen, I don't style it. I blow dry it on cool every day. Cool mode, because I'm fucking cool. And I just blow dry it to get the curls out because I have this like curl pattern that's really hard to work with. And it's like really wonky. I don't know what to do with it. So I just always like blow dry my hair and let it be a crazy mess. Okay, now that she's cooled down, it's time to strain her with a cheesecloth. I don't recommend using a nut milk bag to try to strain it. I did that and it like destroyed my nut milk bag. It just didn't work. I bought the cheapest cheesecloth in the world and it's not great because it kind of like rips. So I recommend, you know, spending a couple extra pennies for a bit better quality cheesecloth. I think it's worth it. I've never gotten a massage done by a professional, but I really want to. But they're so expensive. So I just have to beg my mom to massage me. Mommy, please massage me for like 5 minutes.
Whoa!
Oh, gosh darn it. Let me try that again. You can just use this gel exactly as it is, or you can mix it with aloe gel and oil for extra hydration and moisture. Looks familiar, doesn't it, ladies? I'm sorry. A little aloe gel. You don't want it to be chunky like that. You want it to be smooth. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of argan oil. Voila, we're done. There shouldn't be any seeds in there, but listen, I'm not perfect, so whatever. So I like to massage it into my scalp and then also apply it all the way to the tips. You can totally use it on your face as well and do a little face mask. I like to use it as like a leave-in conditioner, or I guess like a hair mask, and I just leave it in for like an hour and then I rinse it out. I love how affordable it is, and I love flax on my face, on my hair, and in my tummy. Although I prefer to eat ground flax. Costco's ground flax is the best ground flax ever. I've tried 4 other flaxes and I don't like them. Store it in the fridge all sealed up and it should last a couple weeks. Some people use this as like a styling gel as well.